People often reach out with a few common questions. So in this video, I'll walk you through the ones which I hear the most. How does acupuncture work? What does it cost? And what should I expect when I begin care with you? Does acupuncture help for my condition? In most cases, yes, especially when the symptoms involve the nervous system, inflammation, or pain regulation. What's happening underneath is that acupuncture activates very specific neurological pathways, the same ones your brain uses to control pain, calm inflammation, and restore balance between the body and the mind. The effects are measurable: improved circulation, improved neurotransmitter release, immune modulation, and better nerve signaling. So whether it's migraines, neuropathy, anxiety, or something else, the real question isn't the name of the condition, it's which pathway has become dysregulated. Once we identify that, treatment can be tailored with precision. Do you take insurance? People often ask if I take insurance, and the short answer is no, I don't bill to it directly. The reason is simple. I want to give you the kind of care that can't be boxed into a 10-minute slot or a pre-approved code. This is a concierge style practice, which means every treatment is customized and unhurried. What does it cost? The initial visit is $295 and lasts 90 minutes. That includes a full traditional Asian medicine workup, heart rate variability measurement, and your first treatment. Follow-up visits are $275 and run an hour long. Each treatment builds on the last, refining your protocol as your nervous system adapts and symptoms begin to shift. Every session is one-on-one and designed to support lasting neurological balance through precise, individualized care. How many treatments will I need? As a general rule, if I'm going to be able to help, you should start to notice changes within the first 3 visits. Things like less intensity, less frequency, or a smaller area of discomfort. Those first 3 sessions are our benchmark, and they're usually scheduled within the first 2 weeks. That'll give us a clear sense of how your system responds. From there, we continue weekly for another 2 or 3 sessions, and then start spacing out every 2 weeks, every 3, and then every 4. A full course of treatment typically runs about 8 to 12 treatments, depending on how long you've had the condition. After that, most people choose monthly or seasonal visits just to maintain balance. They also sometimes just come in as needed. How long do results last? It really depends on how long the issue has been there and how your system responds once we start. In the beginning, you might notice relief that lasts a few days to a week. As treatments build on each other, your nervous system starts to hold that balance longer and longer. After a full course of treatments, most patients find that results last for weeks, months, or even longer. From there, we usually shift to monthly or seasonal visits, just enough to keep things steady and prevent old patterns from returning. The real goal isn't just to feel better for a few days, it's to retrain your system so it stays in balance on its own. What happens during a treatment? Each session begins with a brief check-in to see how your system has been responding since the last visit. What's improved, what still feels off, and what's most important for you that day. From there, I select points and techniques that match what your nervous system needs in that moment. Sometimes that means very fine needles, other times gentle, non-insertive tools. You'll rest comfortably while specific pathways are activated to calm the nervous system and restore communication between the brain and body. Most people describe the experience as deeply relaxing, often quiet and meditative, and it's followed by better sleep, steadier focus, and a noticeable sense of calm in the days that follow. Each session lasts about an hour long and is completely individualized from start to finish. What are your hours? I see patients Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., and on Saturdays, 7 a.m. to noon. Because this is a concierge-style practice, sessions are by appointment only, which means every visit gets the time and focus it deserves without a waiting room or overlap. Now, if you have more specific questions about your condition and want to see if it's a good fit, please give a contact to the office through phone, email, or DM, and visit the website, neuroacupuncturenh.com, and schedule a consultation.